What's up, you homos? Thanks for being patient with me. Get this filler ran. We are live. It is 6:07 p.m. Eastern. Shane 1, Peter 2, Shane 3, Jesus 4, Adam, Justin, Shane, Thomas, Pete, and Bill, which is Travis. 6:08. Roll the dice. 4 higher. 2 is a reroll. 5 is our number. 608. Good luck. Top 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, Pete. 608. Fifth and final. Good luck. Got Shane for 3. Wow, congrats, Shane. And Travis Oxted for spot 4. Wow. Sorry, everybody else. Congrats, Shane and Travis. We are done. 6:08. Thanks, guys.